This is Serjay Svek. Picture this. You have an interview at the office, or you have a date coming. You're all dressed and ready to go. However, your fingernails are a mess. Unfortunately, you don't have any nail clippers available. You might be lucky if you have something like the Victorinox Nail Clip 580 with its nail clippers included. But you might not even have that. Instead, you might have only the scissors on your multi-tools, such as your Leatherman Micra or this Victorinox Classic SD. So let's try trimming our fingernails using these. So here's what you do. First, you put out your left hand like this. Then very carefully start trimming your fingernails. There. Not the most impressive trim, but it'll do. Next, we're going to try trimming my fingernails with the scissors on the Victorinox Classic SD Alex. So if you're right-handed like me, you might have some difficulty holding your scissors and your hand in this position. It's very difficult. So instead of holding out your right hand like this, you turn it around and do it like this, like you're making a fist. And then you start trimming. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. Look at that. All done. The nails still look very rough though, so now we're going to use the files on both of these. So this is the end result. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but at least they are trimmed. And that's not a bad first attempt for me, I think. So this has been how to trim your fingernails with the scissors on your multi-tools or your Swiss Army knife. Thanks everyone for watching. You take care and always stay safe. Bye now. Salutations, Serjavians. If you like this video, feel free to like and comment and subscribe to see more videos like this one.